friends and family. Welcome to my science experiment series. Now we are going to do science experiment number 32, which is jumping pepper. For that, we need a plastic box, some pepper, and a woolen fabric. First, we need to pour a little layer of pepper inside the box. Then we need to rub the lid on the wool, which should be like this, for around 1-2 minute times. After that, put the lid on the box, and after like 3 to 5 seconds, you will notice that the pepper jumps up a little bit, but it doesn't jump up fully. If you will do it a lot of times, then you will see that it jumps up fully, or if you look carefully. Guys, now let's implement the experiment. I've poured a thin layer of pepper inside the box. Now let's rub the lid on the wool. As you can see that the pepper layers is about this high. Then after I will do this, it will be higher. It has got up, a little bit of pepper has got up to the top, you can see over here. So that's the magic. You can check the layer by looking at the sides. If it has not increased, then means that the experiment has not worked. And this happens because when we rub the plastic lid with the wool, this makes some conducting energy, which then makes the pepper come closer to it. So that's the magic. Bye. Stay tuned for my next videos.